Welcome to this short video introduction of the Nixxis Contact Suite. Nixxis is a company specialized in the development of software solutions to structure, organize and optimize all your customer interactions. Today we will take a closer look at the different possibilities to configure the operations of your customer contact center. In this first video on the administrator module, we will see how to configure agents, skills and teams. One of the first things that needs to be done when entering the administrator for the first time is the creation of your agent profiles. There, the ergonomic interface allows via wizard to create a single agent or a range of agents. We will for this example create a single agent. After the first name, last name and the description, the system allows you also to affect these agents to specific teams of agents. Once the basic profile is created, the administrator gets access to additional tabs to configure further the agent profile. Under the General tab, the admin can define a group of agents to which the agent is allocated for easier filtering purposes. An originating caller ID and the user interface language can also be specified. The Nixxis Contact Suite supports multiple user interface languages. In the Affectations tab, the admin can further specify to which teams the agent is affected. Please take into account that these affectations are not on or off, but are linear from 0 to 100% depending on the admin choices to optimize the agent affectation. This is important when the Nixxis Contact Suite statistical distribution engine, advanced algorithms, is allocating customer interactions. As such, the agent can be part of several teams and this at various percentages of affectations. Under the Skills tab, we can exactly in the same way allocate skills to the specific agents. Here we see that only 2 skills have been specified in the system, so we will go and define some more. Under the Skills tab, you can define all the families of skills that will allow the distribution engine of the Nixxis Contact Suite to allocate your traffic in the most optimized way. When a new skill is defined using the system wizard, after giving it a name, you basically start defining the agents that have those skills and also the activities inside campaigns for which those skills are important. A summary table lets you confirm the data entry you just did, and the skill is then created. Under the Agent tab, you can then select the agents that have these skills and to which level. If you then go to the Activities tab, you will see that here you can find a special version of the allocating slider containing actually 2 sliders. The first one defines the minimum level of that skill the agent needs to have in order to take the customer interaction that is required by this activity. The second slider allows you to define the maximum level this agent can have, or his level of incompetence if you prefer, that allows to avoid giving medium level questions to your top experts and only give them the most complicated questions requiring advanced knowledge. The language section is just a special version of the skill section that is often used for interactive voice response routing. It allows you to define on a per agent and per activity basis the required level of knowledge that must be offered by the agent and is definitely needed by an activity campaign. There also, you will find the specific sliders that allow you to affect only the agents with the required language knowledge levels to specific activities in the various campaigns. One last section that we would like to touch in this first video on the administrator module is the team section. There also, the wizard helps you to set up your team easily. Under the General tab, you will find a group field allowing you to filter your teams easily and a pause profile that allows you to define when specific teams are taking fixed pauses. Pause profiles can be available under the Advanced Control sections. A cost field allows you to define a cost class for this team in order to use it when calculating profit-based routing. We will see more about this in the next video. Under the Queue tab, you can define to which queue this team will be affected. There also, a team can be affected to several queues and the 0 to 100% slider allows you to optimize the queue management allocation. Finally, you can see which agents are part of this team and to which level they are affected. So, this was a first short introduction on the different possibilities of the Nixxis Contact Suite Administrator module. We thank you for watching and hope that you will also check our other videos. Videos are available to give you an introduction to the Nixxis Contact Suite agent interface, on the Supervisor interface, on how you can listen to recorded conversations, and on the reporting possibilities of the Nixxis Contact Suite. Do not hesitate to call or ask should you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.